Okay, today we are making
elephant toothpaste.
Well, I guess it's tonight, right?
This is 1 million. That's
1,000.
1,000. But that one's 2,000, right?
Right.
Let's
So
go to 2,000.
today we have our cool ingredients. We have our yeast. We have our food coloring, our dish soap. We have our protective eyewear.
You never use dish soap.
Okay, so first we're gonna pick out. You pick out a color and I pick out a color.
Mommy,
Yes.
I'm gonna do a making color.
No, you pick out one color and I'm gonna pick out one color.
I wanna make orange, so I'm gonna need yellow and red.
Okay. Ooh. Okay. So he's gonna make orange. I am going to do blue because I really like the blue.
Elephant toothpaste.
Elephant toothpaste.
I'm gonna put my food coloring in.
Okay, go ahead and put your food coloring in. Now I'm going to put mine in.
It was so weird, right? It was like someone got blooded, right?
It does, it does.
Yep.
Okay, so then we're gonna take the yeast
Put my stuff in.
and we're gonna mix it with the warm water for,
I'm still putting my stuff.
I think that's good.
Yeah,
To mix the hydrogen peroxide. We're going to do 1 cup.
What? You didn't put your food color in.
I put my food coloring in mine. We're going to do yours first.
Mom, look at this. What's this I'm holding?
That's the stopper.
But to stop what?
To stop the liquid from spilling out.
There's a hole right here. There's a little thing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's pretty cool. So wait, when we want stuff to stop, you have to hurry and put this on. They should have did that in the Mentos thing, right?
No.
Wait. Put Mentos in here.
The Mentos were too big. All right, come on, baby, focus. All right, are you ready?
For what? For it to explode?
Yeah.
Wait, what did you put in there?
I put the hydrogen peroxide in there.
That's the 40?
Yep.
This is the 50 one, right? But we got the 40.
Yeah. There's 10, 20, 50. Okay, put that down.
Okay.
Come on.
I'm just trying to switch it. Stand back.
Okay. Well, I got it. I'll take care of it for you. Okay?
I got 133 pounds. I still can't believe it.
Ready?
Yes. I'm gonna can't believe it until I don't have that much money left. Oh, it's starting, right?
Oh, yeah.
Just gotta wait, right?
Right.
Wait, maybe I put some more in there.
Think so? Put some more peroxide?
Yeah. So like it can start to no, the other stuff you put in there.
Oh, the yeast?
Yeah. You know why?
You're probably right, yeah.
Yeah, because they're like not filling it. I'm so excited, Mama. You have so many yeast, right? That's how you make bread, right?
Right.
Is it secured?
Almost.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh, yeah. This might be all it needs, right?
Yeah, that was all it needed.
Enough.
Oh, my gosh.
Just wait for it. Just wait. It's going to be... Maybe I should touch it. Go ahead, touch it.
In just a moment.
Now touch it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this looks so.
Oh, it's so hot, so hot.
Yeah, see that, and you should. That's why you shouldn't touch it. You see the smoke coming out?
Where?
If you look real close, you can see it coming out.
Oh yeah, I can really see it.
Mhm.
So this is actually lava, right?
It looks like lava.
Yeah, it really is like lava, right?
Exactly.
There's a bubble. I popped it.
Oh my gosh.
It's just overflowing.
Okay, so the hydrogen peroxide is composed of water and oxygen. The yeast is a catalyst that takes the oxygen away from the hydrogen peroxide, and it gets trapped by the dish soap in all of the bubbles.
And pressure.
Yes, hence our exploding foam elephant toothpaste concoction, you guys.
But you can't drink this kind of elephant toothpaste. You have to drink
No,
regular elephant
right.
toothpaste, right? Because this stuff is gonna taste disgusting. What happens if someone ate this stuff, right?
Ooh, I don't know what would happen if someone ate that stuff.
Ew, right?
Ew.
And it's hot, right?
Yeah.
I already touched it.
Oh my gosh.
I've been touching it, Mommy. I've been touching it. Mama, look. It's so right there. Maybe because we put 2,000 in, right?
Right.
I told you to do that, right? This is gonna be really big, right?
I can't wait. Ooh, you know what I'm excited to try?
What?
Mine.
Yeah. Yours is just regular, right?
Right.
I like mine the most. It's still flowing, right?
It's crazy.
Mine's just gonna flow forever. Mine's just gonna just flow, and flow, right? Wait, it's not falling. It's not falling.
That is crazy towns. I love your colors though. You did such a great job with that color.
I'm holding it. It's not really hot, okay? I can say it. It just started right when I started to stop. Mine is way bigger than yours, right?
Yeah, I got a smaller container.
Look at mine. Look at my jelly. My jelly. I just got this jello.
Oh my gosh. Oh wow, this is like super hot.
Wait, can I touch it? Can I touch it? Wait, can I touch it?
Yeah, just lightly though, because it's really hot.
Okay, I'm not gonna want to touch it a lot.
Mm-mm.
There's a lot of mess here, right?
Obviously.
Yeah, you have like the smaller reaction, so like yours is hotter and mine is warmer when it was hot, right?
But I do like this stuff. Whoa, this is hotter than I thought it was gonna be. Oh my gosh.
Can I touch it?
Isn't that crazy?
No.
I think it's crazy.
But I'm mixing it with mine.
Oh my god.
Okay, now mine's getting hot. Now it's getting hotter and hotter because of the pressure. Look at this stuff.
Woo.
I'm playing with it. Mama. I'm totally playing with it.
It is like super, it's like soap. Just the suds. Very foamy.
That very foamy. Soap is not foamy, right?
I would describe it like froth.
What's froth? Mama, look, I'm playing with it.
Ooh.
Wait, is there a bug on me?
No.
Right here.
No.
I got this on
Now there is foam on you.
it. This on me. Oh my, the beetle's still there.
That beetle. I love this stuff.
Yeah, it's so funny. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
I took my hand in there. Just so I can get some out. But I wanna get some more out.
I think this might be it, but hold on, let me see.
Okay. Mine's is all the way warm, right? Wait, there's a surprise, Mama.
Oh, there you
I
go.
found a surprise. What is it?
It's your color dye.
It's my color dye. I'm
Ooh.
gonna cover it up again. I put it on top of there. Okay, it's hot, it's hot. We have to get that out
I
of
think
the
that was
bottle.
all mine. You have a lot in yours.
We have to get that out of the bottle, the food coloring. I accidentally dropped it inside the bottle.
You did?
Yes. This thing is still overflowing. Look, Mama.
Oh my goodness. Let's see. Maybe I can make it a little
Look
bit
at
more.
it. There's so much. Mama, mine might need a bigger table this time, right?
Right.
Is yours still hot?
It is a little bit, yeah.
But look at mine. That's mine. Mine goes pretty good. It's kind of hot, okay? It's kind of hot.
Kind of hot, okay.
Yeah, but when you stick your hand in it, it's really hot. It's actually hotter than I thought it was going to be. Put your hand in there, Mommy. Mama, mine is like pinkish. Wait, mine is like pinkish yellow, right? Maybe that was not red. Maybe that was pink, right?
Maybe.
Maybe we're going blind, right? Wait, actually it's red.
Well,
Look.
no, it's it's for mine. That's why.
Woo. Look, it's red. It is red. Mama, wait, let's move them. Let's mix them up. Mix it. Let's mix it, okay?
Woo.
You think we should mix it, Mommy? Wait, I know what to do. I'm trying to do it.
Oh, wait, no. You're wasting it. I'd say dump it in there, if anything.
Ah! Mommy, look at this phone. Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah, get out of there.
The beetle like that. I thought that. I said it was the beetle like that. Beetle like that. It's calm.
Really, really pretty. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
That jazz scene in Trolls. It has like that beautiful orange and the purples and stuff.
You mean the chef?
No, he's playing. No, is he a chef? I don't know what he does, but he's singing.
You mean Branch?
No, the jazz guy. You don't know what.
Oh, Chaz.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
What
You guys, if you want to see more foam, more explosions, be sure to comment below, like and subscribe, and please comment your favorite experiment
Mama,
from today, you guys.
them doors, Mama. Them doors. It's coming out.